Alright guys, look what we have here. Lancer by Browning. Original box. One-handed here, so bear with me. We're getting Northern Ireland skip earlier. Let's see. Anyway. Yeah, look at this thing. So we got a Lancer by Browning for all you Browning fans. We got that those customary Browning colors here. This cream with the gold knobs and that the brown lettering. You know, for all you Browning fans, typical Browning colors. And yeah, so this is for sale. Yeah, this unit's for sale. And as you saw, it comes with the original box, mic, cables, power cables, as you saw. We're going to put this on too, make sure everything is okay. But this was recently serviced, so not by myself, by somebody else. And I'm selling this for a customer of mine. So yeah, so it's a 40 channel. 40 channel. And yeah, it looks familiar, right? Kind of looks like a tram. D12, but it's definitely a collector's item. Not too many of these go up for sale, so I figured I'd put this on YouTube first and see how that went before I put it on eBay, just in case anybody was watching this and wanted to you know, contact me about purchasing this. So I'm gonna put it on, hook it up to the watt meter, see what we're doing for power, see what we're doing for frequency, and take it from there. So I haven't powered this on yet, but we'll do it together, see how this unit's performing. Fragile, must be Italian. Alright, let's get this up here. Let me prop this up. Alright. Got it hooked up to the power supply and watt meter. See what we got. Alright, pretty normal. Squelch. Oh, squelch. I mean RF gain, squelch. Mic gain. Alright, it's a little cold, but let's see what you got for power. Alright, right at 4. Audio. 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 Radio check, 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 check. Audio. Audio. Alright, just under 10. Between 8 and 9. It's a good looking radio, definitely unique, in my opinion. You could see this maybe in like a... It'll be perfect then. Like a Jeep CJ5, like a Golden Eagle. How appropriate would that be, huh? And yeah, so you get the mounting hardware. You get the box. And this is the matching serial number to this radio. You get the original mic with the gold Browning logo. And you get the mounting bracket. So you get the mounting. This is the right mounting bracket for this radio. These are security screws. Well, you may ask, why on earth are there security screws in here? Well, you got to remember that back in the day when these things were super popular, these were a hot item to steal, including your radios. I'm sure some of you will remember the radio units. You actually pulled out the whole unit and it slid right out of the dash, and you take it with you. Yeah, it's those days. You know, those were pretty popular items to steal out of vehicles. So yeah, that's the reason for these security screws. You know, sometimes you could even get mounts, those quick mounts or whatever, you know, and you'd basically same concept. You had this little handle you could slide you know, your radio in and out of its mount, take it with you, so people won't break into your car. Crazy how times change. I'm sure somebody would probably see this in a vehicle now and not realize what it even is. But anyway, yeah, so you got, like I stated before, you got the cream color, you got the gold knobs, you got the brown Lancer by Browning script, the gold Browning script on the mic, and you get the box. So it's a good working unit. It's recently been serviced and recapped, and yeah, so this is for sale. Don't ask, you know, and don't leave any comments asking how much it is. If you guys are interested in this, just send me an email. It's pulsarcbrepair@gmail.com, or you can visit the website pulsarcb.com, and you can get in contact with there. Any questions you have, just email me. I'm not going to answer how much this is in the comments or any of that, so you guys want info, email me. I'll also have it in the description as well. So yeah, here you have it, guys. Lansing by Browning with the box. Thanks for watching.